Okay, I got off on this road, it's called Two Guns Road, and because I saw all these buildings, well, parts of buildings anyway, and I thought it was awesome, so I thought, oh, why not? I'll come down here. It looks like a little bitty town used to be, ghost town or something. But I thought, I'm stopping. So we are gonna check this out. I'll be back. Come on, work for me. Work with me, camera. Work with me. Oh, I'm not comfortable with this road. Oh, crap. Wow, there's so many parts of buildings. Mountain lions. I don't know what that was. I might have to get out. What to do, where to go, I don't know. Okay. Sammy, this looks like a good place for you to get out and go potty. All right, we'll be back. Okay. We're standing in the doorway, and there's quite a bit. It looks like this might have been a big place at one time. I don't know what it was. I don't know what happened to it. This is a really cool place. Yeah, and if I was in better shape, I'd be walking, but I'm not, so yeah. So anyway, it's off to the van, and we'll continue on. Okay, we're on our way to the meteor crater site. Woohoo! Sign says speed limit car 15 miles an hour. The last one said 5 miles to impact. They've turned it into regularly scheduled tours. Ah, crap. I hate tours. Let me figure it out by myself. Besides that, they want to take too long. 3 miles to impact. Dun, dun, dun. Watch out for animals. I haven't seen an animal out here yet. I want to see a buffalo. miles to impact. Oh, these miles are awful long. It seemed like a little more than a mile in between them. What's this one say? Explore the history. Okay. We're exploring. Meteor crater that way. What, honey? You know, these people, they're standing up over, wait a minute, there. Anyway, this is all, it's all pushed up for when the meteor crammed into the earth. It just pushed all the earth up and made a big, kind of like a dike or something, you know. Big hill. Big hill. Oh, Lord. I just want to get up there and see the big hole in the ground. That's all I want to do. Okay, let me try this again. I don't know what in the world's going on with my phone. If I don't figure out how to use that new phone, I'm going to lose my mind. But anyway, this is what's left of Meteor City. It looked like it was real cute at one point. All the teepees and the, I wonder what was in that big round thing. Probably a gift shop or something. But man, this is what I'm talking about. If I had the money, I would have this place, and I'd probably do most of the work and have some of my friends help me out, because we're all like that, you know. Hold on, gotta get out of here. We just paint it. We'd camp here and paint it and make it all nice and new again. Yeah, pardon the dust or remodeling. 66. Well, okay. Now, on to my rant. Drove up to the crater place, right? Some of the artwork here is just, it's really cool. Anyway, I go up to the, hold on, I'll be back. Okay, don't know where I was, but I wanted to tell you about the crater. We pull up to the crater, right? And I thought, all right, you know, it's 70-some degrees. Sammy will be fine in the car long enough for me to go take a picture of the crater and get the hell out of there, right? So I go in, and there's a long line, and I said, do you have to do a tour? She said, yes. And that tour takes an hour. I said, well, I'm not doing that, I said, and I said, well, how much is it? She says, $23 for adults and $13 for children and seniors. I said, I just want to see the whole. That's all I want to do. Just want to see it. No, can't do that. Can't do that. So while she turned her head, they had a great big picture on the wall. That was an aerial view of the crater. So I took the picture and turned around and walked out. And I couldn't even get my passport stamped because you got to go through the frickin' tour to get to the gift shop to get your passport stamped. Ah! Oh, anyway. But I am heading on to better places right now. I'm headed to Winslow, Arizona. Such a fine sight to see. And I'm probably going to end up spending the night somewhere around there. And I'm going to take it easy. Going to take it easy. And I got some work I have to do on the phone and all that crap. But yeah, I'm just gonna relax a little bit. So I didn't get to relax yesterday like I wanted to, and so I'm gonna do it today. Okay, so I'll see you in a couple